Hi, this is Maria. I'm going to show you how to download purchased fonts using an app called Anyfont. When you open it, it looks like this. So I am in my Etsy account in the app form. So most of us use the app because it's easy to maneuver and purchase your items, your digital items through the app. However, you cannot download from the app. So you're going to purchase either through the website or through the app, but then to download, you're going to go to www.etsy.com, the Etsy website, and you're going to look it up this way, okay? So it's going to ask you to log in. I'm already logged in. Go to You, Purchases and Reviews, and it'll show you your orders, okay? So I'm going to pick this first order. I bought a bunch of fonts today, and I'm going to say download files. Okay? Now from here, I'm going to individually, one by one, download the fonts. So I'm going to pick Saturday, which is the first font here. I'm going to click download, and I'm going to click the up arrow and say copy to Anyfont. Okay, this is my Anyfont app. I just downloaded Saturday, so there it is. I'm going to click the big A. The website is trying to open. Say allow, install. It's going to ask for your passcode. And you type in your passcode and then you hit next. Install, install. Done. Now it is inside my Anyfont app. That's all you need to do to download. Now when you open an app like GoodNotes or Keynote or Graphic, any one of those that allows purchased fonts, you don't have to do anything. The Anyfont app did it for you. When I go into GoodNotes and I select my pen tool and my text option, paintbrush, and now that new font that was called Saturday is now preloaded. I didn't have to do anything in GoodNotes, it's just there. So I'm going to select that as my font that I'm going to work in, double tap, and there's my font. Okay, if I want to change that font, it will let me select any other font that I already have purchased, just like this. Okay, GoodNotes is really easy. GoodNotes 5, now that purchased fonts are allowed. Okay, once you get them in through Anyfont, they just all populate without you having to do anything else. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.